Why do you get drowsy when you eat too much floury food? Eating starchy foods raises blood sugar levels. Excess insulin is needed to control sugar levels. The tryptophan chemical then travels to the brain. There it is converted into serotonin. It is this serotonin that gives us natural sleep at night. Serotonin, which is produced by eating more starchy foods, causes drowsiness. Why does sweat smell? Sweat is basically salt and water. Sweat has no specific odor. But we consider the smell of sweat to be the odor of the wastes that the bacteria in the skins of our body eat and excrete. There are about 500,000 sweat glands in our feet alone. Human body hair does not grow only on the palm, soles of the feet and lips. Other than that, there is hair everywhere else. The average human head has about 100,000 hairs. The lifespan of a hair is 2 to 7 years. But the lifespan of the hair on the eyebrows is 4 months. Why does it feel dark as soon as you get home from the outdoors? The light entering the eye is controlled by the pupil. The pupil is small enough to reduce the amount of light entering the eye in outdoor areas with high light. As soon as you enter the house, you can feel the darkness as less light enters the eye from the pupil. It takes a while for the pupil to adjust to the amount of light in the house. A person who has a cold adds about 40,000 drops of infected fluid to the air when they sneeze. When you breathe near it, the infected droplets enter your body or are deposited on the skin of the body. It enters the body through eating without washing hands. In such a case, stopping breathing and going outside immediately can reduce the chances of infection. Why is there dust even in an air-conditioned room? The outer skins of our body is constantly regenerating. Most of the dust in the house is removed from the skin of your body. The epidermis removes 30,000 to 40,000 dead cells per minute. It adds about 500 grams of skin per year to the environment. This is why dust can be found even in an air-conditioned room. Our skin is renewed every 27 days. The dead skin cells cause thousands of tons of dust in the environment around the world. Why are the nose and ears not visible on the skull? No bones in ears and nose. They are made of a soft flexible material called cartilage. After death, this cartilage decomposes faster than bone. That is why the ears and nose cannot be seen of a skull. Your kidneys purify about 180 liters of blood a day. The total blood volume in the body is about 5 to 6 liters. The kidneys purify the total amount of blood 20 to 25 times a day. It excretes only 1.5 liters per day on average. Exercising daily promotes the removal of germs from the skin and gives the skin a youthful appearance. Wrinkles are reduced. Smoking causes wrinkles on the skin. Like the fingerprint, the mark on the tongue is different. You have a tongue mark that is unique to you. The liver is the largest internal organ in the body. The liver performs more than 500 functions. Only the liver has tissues that grow naturally from the internal organs. Even if 50% of the liver is removed, but it grows to its natural size within 2 weeks. The skulls of newborns are very soft to develop the brain. That's why sometimes the head looks deformed. The male brain is usually larger than the female brain. But the female brain is faster in terms of activation. The brain is the hungriest organ in your body. The brain spends about 20% of the food and oxygen you get. But brain weight is only 2% of body weight. The brain needs about the same amount of energy as a 10-watt light bulb. An adult's body contains between 20 and 30 trillion of red blood cells. To maintain this value, about 24 million red blood cells are produced in the bone marrow every second. It takes about 20 seconds for a red blood cell to circulate through the body. An adult's body contains between 20 to 30 trillion red blood cells. To maintain this value, about 24 million red blood cells are produced in the bone marrow every second. It takes about 20 seconds for a red blood cell to circulate through the body.